June 12th, Democracy Day. Any hope for Fubara? Welcome, country people, to Senok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. Country people, since March 18, when President Bola Tinubu declare emergency rule for rivers, the state not be the same again. Now from one complaint to another, now from one agitation to another, until Fubara come call in supporters to order, say na dem dey make in case dey worse, because Wike, the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and the former governor, when he play a big role to bring Fubara to government house, he come talk say Fubara dey do one thing for front and im supporters dey do another thing behind. That if na wayo peace they want, they go give them wayo peace. Fubara come address im supporters for one night of tribute for the late elder statesman Kadbudo Edwin Clark. Na den Fubara come appeal to im supporters and the people, say make dem follow im example, make dem not use their words take complicate the problem when it already dey ground. He say na peace be the choosing path. And after that time, many of these supporters, they come tone down their agitations. We not hear of street protest again. We not hear of Asawana song again. We not hear any of those things when they indicate say problem dey. Rather, wetin we come dey hear na Fubara go meet president for London. Na Fubara go meet Wike. And these things na pointer say Fubara don adopt a new strategy, and that na the strategy to follow peace with all men, like the Holy Bible suggests. After all, the same Bible talk say blessed are the peacemakers, na dem go inherit the earth. So Fubara come understand say the language of peace, e go bring healing and restoration faster. E come dey pursue that peace with im full chest. E no tey, Fubara visit Tinubu again for im house for Lagos. That visit even bring insults to Fubara when one businessman, Isaac Fayose, he say Fubara na weakling. He say he regret why he support Fubara. That Fubara dey go from door to door, dey beg. And though lots of people say the man, nobody know wetin im dey talk. After all, he's not the governor. Na the governor na im know where the shoe when he wear dey pinch am. Na tori when he dey enter, he dey talk of eminent Nigerians when he dey make case for suspended the governors in Fubara behind the scenes, make dem return am to im position on or before June 12th. And one of these eminent Nigerians na former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. According to report, Jonathan don engage President Tinubu at least for one telephone conversation on the need to reinstate the suspended governor on or before June 12th in the spirit of Democracy Day. The tradition of the country be say on that day, the president go make broadcast to the nation. Just the same way on March 18, he make broadcast when he take suspend Fubara from office for 6 months, even though people describe that action as unconstitutional. Some of them say no part of the constitution empower the president to suspend or remove an elected governor in the event, say emergency rule now become inevitable for any part of the country. The critics them they cite section 305 when it provide for emergency rule without the suspension and removal of an elected governor. That they also they refer to section 188 when it vests the removal of elected officials solely on the State House of Assembly. But notwithstanding, Tinubu still slammed 6 month suspension on Fubara, and that punishment he also applied to in deputy and members of the State House of Assembly, and most of them they dey loyal to Fubara predecessor Nyesom Wike when he be the minister of the Federal Capital Territory, and even the lawmakers don commence impeachment process against Fubara. So since na broadcast the president take remove am, the hope dey say the president go still use broadcast take reinstate am for June 12th when e be Democracy Day, even when e never reach the 6 months, because Fubara don show say genuinely e make peace, although we no know the conditions wey dem don give am to meet before the peace go work, but at least from wetin we know, e don reach out even more than ever before. The Fubara suspension so na the climax of the fight between Fubara and Wike over the control of the People's Democratic Party for Rivers State and appointment into key positions for government. Wike talk say e no get fight with Fubara. Fubara na im son, but na the people wey e no fit fight am directly na im dey use Fubara dey come fight am, and that e go defeat all of them one after the other. With these moves wey Fubara don dey make since, and for recent times, the intensity of the rapprochement, any hope dey say this June 12th Democracy Day, the president go dey magnanimous to say okay, Fubara don learn the lessons, make peace return to Rivers State, and he hereby lift the suspension so that Fubara and all the apparatus of democracy go return back to Rivers State. Speculation dey before say May 29 say Tinubu go lift the suspension as the nation celebrate the second anniversary. Now Tinubu no do that one. Now speculation dey come say e go be June 12th. Well, nothing wrong to hope. After all, hope e no dey kill person, e dey keep person alive. But the Bible still talk am say hope when e defer, e dey make the heart sick. June 12th, to be or not to be.